Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura, and we're going to open up April's Simply Earth box. If you look in the description, you will see a link that you will get $10 off your first 5 boxes. And for April, I love these boxes. And yes, I am so behind on all the recipes and things, but we're going to get caught up. Today, April's box includes a Swedish dishcloth, biodegradable, quick drying, so that ought to be fun to try out. A dishwashing tablet, some laundry detergent sheets, Castile soap, and then we also have, let's see what we have, sweet orange essential oils, Homebody. So that must be one of their mix-up blends. Wood, amarice, and a couple of that copaiba, and vetiver essential oils. Some new ones. Clean and Fresh, and black pepper. So with our box, don't forget, always check out the little sheet that comes with it, because there is some good information in here, and there are some scan codes that you can scan and get extra recipes and information. I also love the little stickers, because I can just take this right off and put right on top, and that way I can just look in and see what I've got. And then you have stickers for any of the ingredients. And don't forget, if you use the link down below in the description, you will get $10 off your first 5 boxes. Not a bad deal. So we're going to learn how to make a dish tab oven cleaner. Homebody foaming hand soap. Okay, so I need to get a foaming hand soap dispenser for that. Clean and Fresh dish soap. Up and Atom roll-on blend. Okay, I definitely need that. A 1, 2, 3 laundry sheet and a spick and span diffuser blend. Cool. Okay. Oh, sneak peek for next month. It says, I will want a spray bottle, salt or sugar, shampoo, and some 2-ounce jars. And it says, coming soon to Simply Earth cleaning supplies. Alright. And on the back of this one, it has some information about everything that's in the box. Like the Homebody blend is supposed to calm. The sweet orange uplifts, aids digestion, soothes, and cleans. The Clean and Fresh cleans. The black pepper warms, calms, and boosts circulation. And we have the Castile soap, the dishwasher tab, the laundry sheets, and the Swedish dishcloth. And each of our recipes is created and tested by our aromatherapist. And it says everything that we've received is a value of $116. So we save over $70. So I am going to get my recipes all put into my little book and try to sort them out by what they are. And I'll get my little stickers put on them. I will scan all my little codes. I think that's definitely one I want to try. The Up and Atom roll-on blend. Make 3 or 4 of those, one for each member of the family. And then we will get busy getting all of our recipes together and seeing what we can do about making some from each of the last couple months. I am really wanting to get, and I've got a humidifier going with the change of seasons and the barometric pressures and everything, and I think every person in the house had the sniffles. So I've had that going, and I dropped some sweet orange into it just to kind of get some good feeling going on. I also have oranges to eat, and we boiled, put the orange peels in a pot of water and then just heated that up on the stove, thinking that if we could get some of that vitamin C out in the air, and also the warm steam would be very helpful. So I'm going to have a lot of fun. Now, I don't have a foaming soap dispenser, and I'm not really sure where to go for that, but I may have to just order one and have it included in next month's box, because I'll bet there's one online. Well, if you haven't tried these, the Simply Earth boxes, I do encourage you to. If for nothing else, it's just something a little different. Your house does smell really good. Looking at some of the, they are a very green company, and looking at removing toxins and chemicals from the house. A lot of cleaning, a lot of, making your house better. If you happen to have a sick house syndrome, sick building syndrome, which I actually think we do, taking little steps to try to eliminate that. And the Simply Earth box is my first step. The next step is to actually start using the product in their recipes and applying those to inch by inch, one step at a time. But not a bad company. I really like that when you are a subscriber, you get teaching education materials. You go through these modules, and they have the sheets that you can print out, and I have put them into a notebook, and I'm trying to work through the modules because I want to know what I'm doing. Understand a little bit more about how the dilution rates go and where these things come from. And so going slow and steady, because that's what wins the race. But the first step is to get started. So don't forget, you will get $10 off your first 5 boxes. So use my code below and enjoy, and be on the lookout for some videos coming up of me actually doing the recipes and making product for the home. And we'll just take it from there. Remember, inch by inch is a cinch. Yard by yard, it's very hard. And slow and steady, wins the race. And keeps you from getting too overwhelmed and too exhausted. And so we're just going to one step at a time. Listen, I really like the way they provide the little sheets for your for the recipes. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Get outside and enjoy some of that sunshine. I can already hear mowers going on through the neighborhood. And I fully intend to go out and play with my bunnies and enjoy some of that sunshine and some of the nice warming up weather that we've got. Not too terribly hot yet. If you have already subscribed, I really hope that you're enjoying them as much as I am. And I hope you're actually doing more with them than what I am, but that's coming. That is coming. With the kids in college and the bunnies and everything that's going on in the myasthenia gravis, sometimes things get put on the back burner. And it has to wait until I've got a good day where I can really focus and get some things done. But I'm hoping that's, I'm feeling pretty good today. Today's a good day. So we're going to get some things done, and I am looking forward to trying these out. So have a great day. Don't forget to come back. You can find us on Facebook, Crazy Dave's Crew, the Crazy D Ranch, Thursday Threads Book Club, Sewing and Crocheting for Beginners, as always, Thursday Threads. So you can check out and see what all trouble we're getting into. Well, I hope I will see you right here next time on Crazy Dave's Crew. Thanks for watching.